At the end of this video, you should be able to describe characteristics of the universe in terms of time, distance, and organization. Chapter 26, Section 1, Viewing the Universe. People studied the sky long before the telescope was invented. For example, farmers observed changes in daylight throughout the year to track seasons and to predict floods and droughts. Sailors focused on the stars to navigate through unknown territory. Today, most interest in studying the sky comes from a curiosity to discover what lies within the universe. This scientific study of the universe is called astronomy. Scientists who study the universe are called astronomers. The value of astronomy. In the process of observing the universe, astronomers have made exciting discoveries, such as new planets, stars, black holes, and nebulas, such as the Eskimo Nebula shown on the screen now. By studying these objects, astronomers have been able to learn more about the origin of Earth and the processes involved in the formation of our solar system. Studying the universe is also important for the potential benefits to humans. For example, studies of how stars shine may one day lead to improved or new energy sources on Earth. Astronomers may also learn how to protect us from potential catastrophes such as collisions between asteroids and Earth. Because of these and other contributions, astronomical research is supported by federal agencies such as the National Science Foundation and NASA. Private foundations and industry also fund research in astronomy. Characteristics of the universe. The study of the origin, properties, processes, and evolution of the universe is called cosmology. Most astronomers agree that the universe began about 14 billion years ago in one giant explosion called the Big Bang. Since that time, the universe has continued to expand. The universe is very large, and the objects within it are extremely far apart. Telescopes are used to study some distant objects. However, astronomers also commonly use computer and mathematical models to study the universe. Organization of the universe. The nearest part of the universe to Earth is our solar system. The solar system includes the Sun, Earth, the other planets, and many small objects such as asteroids and comets. The solar system is part of a galaxy, which is a large collection of stars, dust, and gas bound together by gravity. The galaxy in which the solar system resides is called the Milky Way galaxy. Beyond the Milky Way galaxy, there are billions of other galaxies, like the Whirlpool galaxy, M51, which is shown on the screen now, which is 31 million light years from the Milky Way galaxy. Measuring distances in the universe. Because the universe is so large, the units of measurement used on Earth are too small to represent the distance between objects in space. To measure distances in the solar system, astronomers often use astronomical units. An astronomical unit, the symbol is AU, approximate the average distance between Earth and the Sun, which is 149,597,870.691 kilometers, or about 150 million kilometers. Astronomers also use the speed of light to measure distance. Light travels at 300,000 kilometers per second. In 1 year, light travels 9.46 times 10 to the 12th kilometers. This distance is known as a light year. Aside from the Sun, the closest star to Earth is 4.22 light years away. At this point, you should be able to describe characteristics of the universe in terms of time, distance, and organization.